Good morning, my friends, and welcome to my morning routine. So here we are, cuddled in bed. This is during a school week, so you're going to see me getting my girls up, getting them ready, and just handling a hectic day. So first things first is I check my phone, and then I get out of bed, I put on some fuzzy socks, and I just prepare to conquer the day. So it's about 6:30, and the first thing I do is I go and I take my Benny for a walk, and then I get him his food ready, and then we start on my things. I do make my Benny's food homemade, so if you guys were wondering what this container is, yes, I make my dog his food homemade, but I checked with his vet. He is all good. He's a very healthy and happy little boy, but yes, this is Benny's homemade food. While Benny is eating, I'm going to go ahead and start some coffee. I am doing intermittent fasting, so my eating hours don't start till about 9, but I'm able to just have 1 cup of coffee. I weigh out my creamer. I have to keep it under 50 calories, so that it hits just about 40, so perfection for me. Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be real. And while everybody's still asleep, I head into the bathroom where the coffee is going, and I start my my morning routine. I put my hair up, and I'm gonna wash my face. This is just the face wash I'm using currently. It's okay. Nothing really to brag home about. Brush my teeth, and I'm using the Sonic Care toothbrush, and I'm going to put my oils on. I use the Pure Vitamin E oil. I kind of use a lot because I like it. And the Jamaican black castor oil, I put that underneath my eyes. You guys know that I keep it 100% real with you, and it was that time of the month, and I wanted to share this company with you. This is Lola. Lola is a female-founded company offering a line of organic cotton tampons, pads, liners, and all-natural cleansing wipes. Guys, you know that for my life right now, I'm really trying to clean up all these things that go along with my personal hygiene, especially stuff that's going inside of you, let's be honest. So here's a fun fact. The FDA does not require brands to disclose a comprehensive list of ingredients in their feminine care products. So most of them don't. Lola offers a complete transparency about the ingredients found in their tampons, pads, liners, and wipes. They're founded by women for women. Girl power, okay? Lola offers pads, liners, both BPA-free plastic applicators or environmentally non-applicator tampons. And what I love is Lola, for every purchase, they donate feminine care products to the homeless shelters across the U.S. It was so convenient because it was delivered right to my door. I personalized my order. I was able to choose between the organic tampons, pads, liners, or wipes. Honestly, it just really helps me be worry-free about what I'm putting into my body. I'm a huge fan and supporter of this company and everything they stand for. So for 40% off all subscriptions, visit mylola.com and enter Diaries when you subscribe and save yourself some money, guys. I know this is something that we don't talk about, but it should be talked about, and it's so important. Please put yourself first and think about what you're using. I will have everything linked down below. Check it out. Use my code. Save yourself some cash. It's amazing. As you guys can see, my mornings consist of doing lots of hair. I am a mother of 3 girls, and they got a lot of hair, and they all like to look pretty and get their hair done up for school. So what usually I do is just take requests, ask them what they want, and I just go ahead and start, trying to be a beautician here. My Sophie's playing with Benny. He's a playful boy in the morning, and we just watch the news and just get through our morning and start the day, After I was done with Sophie's hair, I went ahead and made myself a cup of coffee. Like I said, I have to weigh out everything just because I am intermittent fasting. Today, I was so lucky to have my husband home. So while I was getting the girls ready and, doing all those things, he was actually making them breakfast. So made this cup of coffee, and when I came back to the living room, my oldest was waiting for me, and she had a request. So most days she does her own hair, but you know, she's growing up on me. So when she asked for me to do her hair, I just, you know, I humbly oblige and get it done. So she, there's Becky, she wanted some braids. So I will say this, guys, I am not a beautician by trade. I just try to do what the girls like, and it's braids aren't easy. I have to start and restart, and I mess it up, and they're not easy, but I try every time, and most of the time they like it. So I guess I'm doing something right. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la. Okay, so all the girls' hair is done. Leo went ahead and made them breakfast. This is what they requested, and I'm going to go ahead and bring it over. These kids are addicted to these Kindles, so I make them put it away even while they eat, and then they can do whatever they want before school. So they're getting their breakfast in, and while they're eating, it's time for Mama to get ready because today's a gym day. So here I am in my pajamas and magic. We are gym ready, and we're going to go ahead and get our pre-workout together. This is the Amino Energy. I take 3 scoops and put it in a cup because I don't know where my shaker cups are. The kids like to play with them. Mom life. But nonetheless, I get this pre-workout down, and we are out the door. Getting the girls all out today. Everyone has school. The baby's in preschool, so she only goes 2 days a week. But today, it was everybody. So you're loading up the troops, getting everybody in the car. Leo's actually going to go to the gym with me today, which I'm excited about. So in goes Becky. And look at these two. Oh, my goodness, my heart. Rhea walks to school, and so she is off. We're getting Sophie loaded up. And so we're going to get them off to school, and we are going to head to the gym. I brought my gym bag with me, and we are going to take care of business. So I hope you guys like this video, and I know it's something a little different. If you guys like to see more of these, please let me know, and I would love to do more. So please make sure you check out Lola. I know this is such an awkward subject to talk about, but it is so important, ladies. Take care of your health and take care of you. I think you guys are wonderful, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.